That was a half a stick of butter, right?
Yeah.
And you got that Kimmel in there with some juice, some water.
Right. And I'm boiling up hot water for the put in after. And you remember, you got to watch it so it doesn't boil over. Also, I'd have such a mess. See, now I've got it just the way I want it. See, now I put the flour away. See how white is yellow, but we got to get it brown. See? Carrot.
Huh?
This is about 1 carrot, just about another, about 2 carrots. Let's see if it makes a difference, because we didn't have it last time. We didn't have the carrots last time. Let's see if it makes a difference. I've got your back. See?